Alright folks, so welcome to this episode of Let's Get Growing. Last episode obviously we showed you guys how we made the first lot of garden beds behind us. In this video we are going to get stuck into the other beds. That's right, River. So we're going to get stuck into making this bed here.
Yes, and now we'll make some more stuff later.
Yep, so we're going to turn over the soil here, just like we did in the first original veggie patch plot. Alright, so as we start to dig up this section of the next garden, this is where we had once our old veggie garden a while back. So you can see the soil's a lot better quality down this part of the garden than compared to up here, which is really rocky again and really clayey. So we're going to have to really break this up and mix in some good manure, compost and all that good stuff, aren't we, mate?
This used to be a chicken house, not that for real.
Kid's crazy. So second plot is now all turned over. So we're just got to get through. We'll chuck some compost down. Obviously do what we did with the other beds, compost, manures, and then we'll really break up the soil. Well, that's it, I think. Good bit of chook manure on top. Now we're going to go get the compost. Now we're going to put some compost that we got, haven't we?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's open these up.
And look what we got in here.
Oh, look at that. Do you know what that is? Compost.
Compost.
Alright, let's get this one open too. Oh, look at that one.
It's even more compost. This
Yeah.
is compost.
Alright, let's get these on the garden.
Yeah. Where's this place? Right it? And right This is a big pile.
Now it's time to make our beds. So we're going to make them like we did in the first one, in the first garden up there.
Yes, and you will do this.
Alright, you take it up the top. That's it. Good job. Keep going all the way down the bottom. That's it, good stuff. Alrighty, so instead of doing the 3-bed system like the first lot, we're going to opt for just the 2-bed system here. So we're going for 2 bigger
And now we got.
raised beds.
Now I'm making a waterfall, and I just found a one right there.
Right. So this way we'll be able to get a sort of bit more heavier, dense crop in these 2 big beds. And still undecided what we're going to do here, where River's making his waterfalls, but
I'm making 3 waterfalls.
yeah, so we'll make another plot in here, but just got to decide what we're going to put in this one.
Different plans. We don't know which one.
Yeah, and so whenever we get the planning done, we'll check back in and show you what we're putting in the ground. And yeah, as I said, hope you're enjoying these videos. Catch you next time, folks.